hat is on, guys. You know what that means. We're in the garage. We're working on the Colt today. We've got overnight parts from eBay. She's arrived. Rear, near side, window regulator. Let's get this unpacked and get it in. And let's see if we can get these windows up and get this roof down. Right guys, monumentous moment. Are these windows going to work? No. Right, let's try again. The window wasn't set properly in the seat. So it is now. Need a bit of adjusting. Okay, one side done. Second side. Final window. We know this one works anyway. We also know that the back windows have to be up for the front windows to come up, because we've only got two switches at the front there, and these two bit switches at the back are for the roof. Right, that's all four windows. Let's see if this little works. Yeah, so the window drops as it opens. Goes back up as it closes. I'm going to get this outside because you know what's coming next, but I've got to wait for the boys to come round because I can't do this on my own. This is going to be unbelievable if this roof goes down. I've actually grown a little bit of emotional attachment to this car. We know it's only a Colt, but it's our first trading up car. You know, I've done a few little jobs to it. Once this roof's down, we're going to clean the interior out. Give it a drive. I know there's a few things that need setting. Needs an auxiliary belt, new set of tyres, and a good clean, and then we'll get it for an MOT. Right, like I say, just got to wait for the boys to turn up now so we can test this roof. And typically it starts raining, but it is what it is. This roof's coming down. Fingers crossed. Right, window is set. Boom. Right, here's the box of toys.
That's it. It's happening.
Right, I promise you, I've not done it.
Really?
Really.
Do I get to do the honours then?
Yeah.
Is she locked?
Of course she is.
Fingers crossed. Does she lock?
No, not with need a battery.
Oh, she does
just
lock.
locked.
She's locked, mate.
Oh, yeah, it all works. It's just a battery on the car.
Oh yeah, this is lovely in here.
Right, close the door, style. Oh my god, come on. Oh, not the wipers. I reckon she's got fuel. Oh my god, this is still happening.
This is what it did for me for 2 years, mate.
It's been
It
working.
run, and then it'd do this.
It's working sweet for me. Oh, it's because you've messed with that immobiliser.
Don't touch no immobiliser.
I thought you just pressed the button on the thing on the fob. I mean, you just locked it with the key.
You should have got in it, Matty, because he's just got a touch of death.
A few moments later.
Cross your toes, cross your fingers. Come on.
Oh,
Okay.
Action. Tell us what you're doing, John.
Hammer time. That's what we're doing. Right, so we've got all the windows, the new motor in, blah blah blah, and the roof's still not coming down. We're thinking it could well be something to do with this, which looks like it's been butchered at some point. It's not going as far back as the other one, and these grab this thing here and they lift the boot like that before the roof can come down. So, knocking stick. See the movement in it there, Matt?
Go on. Go on. She's going down.
Yeah, but if the window goes, mate,
the window won't go. It's designed to not.
right, Matt, this someone's fingers is going to get it here.
I'm just saying it might just release something. I saw there them switches that I was looking at a minute ago. Everything works.
Right, now shut that.
How are we going to get it back up?
Going to need to come
Yeah,
on
because it'll
again.
do that, and then what it'll do is,
Hang about.
yeah,
That's not
and
right.
then it'll push down backwards.
No.
No, that's not.
Yeah, it's fine, that, John.
Fine.
Is that shut?
Right, come on.
Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, get me in the back.
Get in the back. Oh, John's put his van
Oh,
there.
John, leave you
Yeah.
back.
Get your phone.
I will.
Who's these kids here with the wind in their hair?
Defo, oh mate, I've got cramp. Oh, you've got
What's
cramp.
up in the
I've got
back there,
cramp in
mate?
my- You all got cramp in my
Mate,
leg.
if this breaks down now.
Stand up.
Is that a seatbelt?
No,
I'll put my belt on, mate.
I've got a belt. I've got a belt.
Yeah, it stopped. No, it's not.
Yeah.
Seatbelt has. Wind in his hair! The wind in his hair, laddie! Mexico. Brakes work. There she is, the Volvo.
Watch out, that belt don't snap.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Roof down, baby. Baby Colton.
That's all the fans wanted, to be fair.
Serious, they've got it. Lads with the wind in their hair, roof down, doing a bit. Good job it's not raining, eh?
Yeah, I know. It's cold. Right, fingers crossed.
Ready?
You lying?
Keep it moving.
You lying?
Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Thanks very much. Bosh!
Struggling.
Talk to me, Matthew. Talk to me. Colt CC.
Whoa!
What did you do, mate?
That then? That sounded like water.
It was me.
Yeah, gives a little screwy or something.
Don't break it.
Now I'm trying to pull down this tab. Tab doesn't go.
There it is.
Do you want to do it, mate?
Yeah, John, you will do that
You
quick.
should do that quick now.
This beeping is intense. Mate, have you sorted this yet or what? Me and Mike are going stir crazy here.
I've got an
He's
idea.
got a big black pump in his hand and all that.
Right, there's a problem with the pump. Right, so I'm here in the boot of the Colt. The goal was to get the roof down. Can you call it a success or not? Not really. We had to do it manually. It did go up by itself, but it's back to the drawing board. We are looking at the pump down here, hydraulic pump. Fault in here or boot locking sensor. John's found a wire that's damaged in here. It's only net though, it could just have shorted something. God knows. So I'm going to spend the next few days in here trying to sort it out. If anyone's ever worked on one of these before or knows the issue, let us know. Or if you've got the manual, that'd be ideal.
As Matthew's just said, we've put it back together now. We're going to have to go back to the drawing board. We've done everything what we thought it was. Put all the windows in. As you've seen, they've all gone up and down. We've actually manually got the roof down. And let our little friend here get in the back cave for a few days. No, I'm only joking. I'll be here with him. We know that the motors are working. Well,
It went up, didn't it?
yeah, it went up on its own.
I
Yeah.
think it's just a sensor or something that's
I
not
think
in
it's
position
something
for it to come this way.
or nothing, because it all seemed to do everything fine. Gonna have one more episode on the Colt, and that will be the roof down, MOT. See you later. So as always, people, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Tell your mum, tell your nan.